This week on Dude Stuff.
See if the drone can keep up. Whoa, it's being rubbish. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, and it just keeps pulling. What is going on, guys? So I wanted to ask myself the question, what would it be like if you fitted every single e-bike kit available on KIRBEBIKE.com to one bike? So this is a triple motor 4,500 watt e-bike which I put together a couple of days ago. Check out the video if you haven't seen it already. I'll put it up on the screen now. But today is just going to be all about seeing what this performs like and how it rides, because I'm really curious. So we've got the 48 volt 500 watt mid-drive kit installed on it. We've got the dual 2000 watt hub motor front and back running off of 52 volt LG cell battery. Now all of them are merged together on one single twist throttle, and the only other upgrade I've done is the front brake rotor. I've upgraded from 160mm to I think 220, 200, 220. I think it's 220. Yeah, without any further ado, there's just no messing about. Let's get straight out on this thing and see what it can do. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, bit of wheel spin off the line. Hooked up pretty good. Oh my God! Wow! Still pulling hard at 15 miles an hour. Still wheel spinning. Still losing traction on the front wheel at this speed. God, there's every fucking idiot on the road today. And I know there's going to be a few Karens out there saying, including me, but trust me, I've got way more common sense than some of these people out here today. Absolutely flying. Whoa! We're having it, guys. Having to back off the power due to the cars in front. Insane speed. Oh my God. Yeah, she's quick. Flying off the line. Oh, cars pulling out in front of me everywhere. See ya. 15 miles an hour. Yeah. Whoa! This is insane. I would say that's a pretty big enough hill. What do you reckon? Should we use that one for the hill test? Definitely used this one before in the past. Let's see how this hooks up going up a huge hill. Whoa! Here we go. Good luck, drone. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on, drone, move out of the way. 3, 2, 1, go. It's getting up here like it's flat ground. Absolutely no issue. Pedalling or no pedalling. Front wheels spinning for traction. Poor drone's at the bottom of the hill. Let's go back and rescue the drone. Poor drone. Come on in, drone.
60 seconds. Follow. 60 seconds.
Right, here we go then, guys. See if the drone can keep up. Whoa! It's trying to take my head off. I think it's lost me already. Come on, dude. Come on. It's being rubbish. Yep, that didn't go to plan, did it? Right, guys, forget the drone. We're just going to send it up the hill without the drone. We give up on that idea. Yeah, no worries at all getting up there. Uphill road test. Let's go over this speed bump. Here we go. Whoa. flies, absolutely flying. See, an interesting thing about this as well is I haven't fitted the wheel magnet for the mid-drive, so the mid-drive's currently working on throttle only. But what I found with this kit is it's only going to run at about 50 to 75% power. I think that's a longevity thing the manufacturer does, so you don't wear the mid-drive out too quick, I guess. This thing's going to be even quicker if I fit the speed magnet and do a little bit of pedaling with the torque sensing. So with the wheel magnet fitted and the torque sensor, it's going to be running at 100% power with the mid-drive and the hub motors, which is going to be incredible. Unfortunately, this bike has sold though, and I'm not going to go too much more crazy on it today because technically this bike now belongs to somebody else. It's really smooth. Wow. 4 mile an hour start, no pedaling. She picks up and she just keeps going. Whoa, backing off the power. Right, another speed test, acceleration test. She hooks up so good, it's addictive. See what difference it makes being in the lowest gear for the mid-drive on hookup. Right, that's on the lowest gear for mid-drive. I'd say that was a little bit slower. I think that's too tall in the gears. I reckon this would just be good because it's got the hub drive being near the top, because it's got the hub drive helping it. So let's give that a try. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, and it just keeps pulling. Oh my God. Whoa, coming off the power. That's crazy. The front end actually lifts up on it. I don't know if it comes out on camera, the forks, they just lift up as it accelerates. One more time. It's actually really smooth to drive, like, it's not chucking an absurd amount of power through the crank, through the mid-drive kit, and it's got the smoothness of the hubs. It's got the best of both worlds. And once you get the hang of it, it's pretty rideable. Obviously you need to be quite sensible putting the power on with the front wheel traction, but I think if you've got a bit of common sense and a bit of riding experience, it's absolutely fine. What is going on, guys? So we are up at Rob's and we've popped up here today just to quickly do a conversion on his Schwinn beach cruiser, which he's done a really nice job of restoring it with, it's not candy flip, is it? What colour?
It's a chroma coat flip.
Don't forget as well, guys, I'm giving away an e-bike at the moment for just £2 entry. It's fitted with the Easy Rider kit, the same kit that I'm using today on this. Not many entries on it, guys, a really good chance of winning, so head on over to raffle.com. I'll put the link up on the screen. Head on over to Rob's channel as well. Give Rob a like and a subscribe if you're not already. And let's crack straight on with this build and we're just going to show you it done. The magic has been done. It's pretty straightforward, wasn't it? Yeah, not too bad. I think that's a nice little blend of retro and modern with that headlight. So at the moment of truth, we've only hooked up the throttle, not the pedal assist. Let's see whether this thing is working. Oh, a bit of wheel spin action going on. Oh, check the power out. Wheel spinning away. Right, back at Do Stuff HQ now. Taking this out for a little ride. Like I said, this bike has sold, and to be quite honest, after doing this workshop build, I need the money. I've got to pay things off and move on to other projects. Got to keep things moving on the channel. Hopefully on to bigger, better things. Let me know what you'd like me to see build next on the channel. I haven't forgot, I have got the world's fastest non-modified frame mountain bike project, which did take a bit of a seat on the back burner whilst I was building this workshop. I've had to do tax returns and many other things that have sidelined me, but I'm back in the zone now and I'm starting to get back on top of projects. I've still got review bikes coming in, which I need to do to fund the channel. And help you guys out, of course, if you're thinking of buying something. Let me know what you'd like me to see do next on the channel. I did give this bike a good wash and I fitted the magnet on the back wheel for the mid-drive torque sensor for the pedal assist. So that's fully working on this now. And what that has done is given it an extra boost of probably 200-300 watts to the mid-drive kit. The mid-drive kit does operate at about 50 to 75% power on throttle, and it gives you the full power and you're pedaling firmly on pedal assist with a torque sensing. So this now just pulls and pulls and pulls. The mid-range on this is insane. You could potentially do a lot of things with this bike, which is there's stuff that I wish I would have done before this bike sold. One of them would have been interesting to hook up the hub motors to the torque sensing pedal assist. So all three motors work at 100% power off the pedals just from pedaling. That would have been really interesting because I could have set all the kits to level 1 and technically had this legal to no throttle and 4,500 watts limited to 15 mile an hour. That would have been really sick to do, but hey ho, maybe on another video. It would have been the fastest 15 mile an hour e-bike around here. Would have got there probably in like a second or under 2 seconds. But anyway, I've had some good fun on it and it's been interesting to see what it can do. Do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the notifications. Every time you like and comment, it helps the channel grow, and I want to get to a place where I'm just doing mental projects, custom stuff. Now I've got this workshop, the channel can just grow and I've got somewhere to do projects over the winter. Like I said, let me know what you'd like to see on the channel. I'd like to eventually move away from doing reviews a bit and more towards purely doing just crazy stuff like this. So I would like to jump, I've got other things to do, little projects here and there, but I would like to jump on the world's fastest mountain bike. Again, I'm not sure which way to go with that, but just getting it working will be one thing. The battery on the world's fastest bike is, I think, 126 volt LiPo, and the controller, I think, is up to 300 amps, so there's potential for over 30,000 watts. I'm not sure if I want to run it anywhere near that, to be quite honest. I'm running for the reasons I'm running a marketplace mountain bike that cost me 250 quid. I've got the standard dropouts. I wanted to see how fast I could push a completely standard frame, standard dropouts, everything. So I don't know, we'll see, but let me know what you'd like me to see on the project. I have got another bike actually hanging up here to the side of me. I've got a beautiful purple flip Trek Roscoe. Now, options for that is potentially, I'm thinking maybe 60 volt hub drive, either a 2 or a 3,000 watt hub. I don't think it's going to make any difference fitting the 3,000 watt hub, virtually any. Most of the power for me just comes from the controller and the battery, and a 3,000 watt's going to be difficult to get in the dropouts, heavy. I'm going to have to bend the frame. I think I can get the same power out of a 2,000 watt hub. So would you like to see me do a 60 volt 2000 watt with a slightly more powerful controller, or I've potentially sourced a 1000 watt mid-drive kit from KIRBEBIKE that I could do some product testing on that. Not sure if it'll fit that because it's got the wider chainstay on it where it's oversized 27.5, but anyway, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me do, and see you guys in the video soon. Take it easy.